Alright guys, it's Jason here with RPM Power Sports. Today we're going to be installing this aftermarket aluminum blow-off valve. Everybody knows, and if you don't know, a quick Google search will tell you that the factory Polaris blow-off valves are prone to failure. They leak, they have boost that bleeds by them. They're just not good. It is what it is. A lot of heat, plastic don't mix well. So we're going to upgrade this aluminum one. RPM here sells these. If you want one, give us a call. They're $99.99 shipped. It's 402-657-3653 to get a hold of us. But the good thing about this valve is that if you don't want the whooshing sound or the turbo sound that you hear when you let off the gas, this will plug straight into your next hose. So you don't have to listen to that noise. It's a direct replacement, OEM replacement, per se. If you want to hear that loud noise, all you simply do is put this cap that we include into the other side of the hose and leave this open. If you're in a lot of sand or mud, you may want to put a filter on it or an outerwear of some sort, but we're going to leave ours open. We mostly play in the sand, and we'll put a filter on this thing. The filter comes tomorrow, so we'll do another video with that, but for now we're just going to leave the filter off of it. Alright guys, the blow-off valve's in place, everything's secure. We made sure it's tight. These will usually, you're always going to get a little airflow by at idle. That's normal until it sees vacuum, and then it'll close, and that's when it's supposed to stay closed. And when you let off the gas, obviously you're going to have that loud whooshing sound. The more boost you run and the more load it's under, the louder the whoosh will be. I'm going to give you a little sample of the whoosh sound just here in park. It's not going to be crazy loud, but it'll be loud enough that you guys are going to want to buy one. Josh, go ahead and fire this thing up and let's hear it. Let's get this thing back together and go for a quick ride. See how loud it is in the cabin. Alright guys, that's a wrap for the blow-off valve installation. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I am more than confident that we have the loudest blow-off valve on the market. Give us a call at RPM Power Sports, 402-657-3653 to get one on the way.